What's up, guys? I have an exciting video for you today. And I have a question. My question is, will Tesla be joining the S&P 500? And as a follow-up question, why is that even important? Now, to answer the first question, please look at this list. We're going to go down this list together. Number 1, it must be worth more than $8.2 billion. Tesla's worth $250 billion. And I believe now they're worth $280. So let's check mark that box. Number 2, they must be based in the US. Tesla is based in California. Check mark. Number 3, Tesla must offer common stock. They do. Number 4, they must be listed by the US exchange. They do. They are. And number 5, which is the most critical, they must have a positive earning report in the most recent quarter and also the past 4 quarters. Tesla has had a positive earnings report the past 3 quarters, and July 22nd, which is only days away, will be their next quarterly earnings report. If Tesla's earnings are positive, they qualify for the S&P 500. Now, you may be asking yourself, who cares? Like, what's the big deal? Well, the big deal is 50% of all fund managers invest in index funds, which means there's going to be demand for this Tesla stock now. And when there's demand, prices go up, and there's going to be a surge. We're going to have a wave, guys. There's going to be a surge. Now, this next part is my personal opinion. I'm just an average guy, just a guy on YouTube. If Tesla joins the S&P 500, I believe the stock is going to hit 2K. It's going to pass that threshold of $2,000 per share. Now, there's an argument that the current run where Tesla recently hit a new 52-week high of 1,700 and something change. I'll put it on the screen. That current run was pricing in the potential of Tesla joining the S&P 500. I feel that's partially true, but when it joins the S&P 500, I feel there's going to be another run, and it's going to pass that 2K mark. That's my personal opinion. And see, guys, we're days away, July 22nd. They're going to be releasing the earnings report, and if it's positive, I feel there's going to be a run. Now, for those of you who invested in Tesla during the epidemic, mainly March 18th, you got Tesla at around $400 a share. And if Tesla hits 2K, you will be experiencing a 5-fold increase, which is insane, man. Insane. And for many of those investors who are investing in airline stocks, cruise line stocks, the COVID index stocks, those guys are kicking themselves in the butt. So that's my prediction, guys. Tesla hitting 2K once they meet this criteria and join the S&P 500. Let me know your thoughts, guys, and your opinions below. Will Tesla be 2K by the end of the month? We may be there. That's just my opinion, guys. That's just my opinion. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Try to make it short and sweet. Just wanted to get it out there. For those of you who have noticed, compared to my old video, I invested in a new microphone. So hopefully my audio is better compared to my first video. And I've been YouTubing a lot of Canon settings and figuring out my exposure levels and how to properly set my settings. So you may have noticed that too. So let me know. If you want to have a conversation down below, feel free to comment. I will respond to you. Like and subscribe to my channel. And take care, guys. Boom. What's up? It's Christian here. Peter Mckinnon. What's up? Peter Mckinnon.
Psych. Double psych. You totally thought. I mean, that was funny. What's up, everybody? Peter Mckinnon here.
Take care, guys.